Ready to step into the future of home living? These futuristic Amazon essentials bring smart design and cutting-edge convenience right into your daily routine. From lighting that thinks for you to gadgets that streamline every corner of your space, the future is already here, and it's practical. All products are linked in the description below. Here's a simple upgrade that makes a big difference. This slim, touchless trash can is perfect for small spaces like bathrooms or offices. The motion sensor opens the lid instantly, keeping things hygienic and hands-free. Its sealed design locks in odors, while the waterproof build holds up against splashes and moisture. Sleek, compact, and smart. It's the kind of little detail that keeps your space cleaner and fresher every day. This isn't your average robot vacuum, it's a true multitasking helper. With a mechanical arm, it can pick up small objects like socks and tissues before starting its deep clean. The powerful suction and hot water mopping tackle dirt and stains, while smart navigation avoids obstacles with ease. When it's done, the docking station takes care of washing, drying, and emptying, so your floors stay spotless without the effort. Here's a floor cleaner that does it all in one pass, vacuuming and mopping at the same time. With strong suction power, it handles everyday messes from crumbs to muddy footprints. Built-in scissors cut hair before it tangles, and when you're done, the mop cleans itself with heated water and dries automatically. Add in edge cleaning, flat reach under furniture, and disposable waste bags. You'll barely lift a finger to keep floors spotless. Bring the energy of a full cycling studio straight into your home with this AI-powered bike. The built-in screen streams interactive classes, scenic rides, and even lets you track every detail of your performance in real time. Its intelligent resistance shifts seamlessly for a smooth, realistic ride, while the solid frame keeps things stable and quiet. Whether you're chasing endurance or just looking for a fun workout, this bike adapts to you. This isn't just a speaker, it's a retro-style gadget that mixes sound, art, and fun. The front panel lights up with customizable pixel art you can design through the app, or pick from thousands of creations. Play music with powerful stereo sound, set smart alarms, or even enjoy nostalgic mini-games built right in. Compact and portable, it's part speaker, part art display, and part gaming toy, all in one. If you're serious about your tea, coffee, or just love hot water ready on demand, this kettle has you covered. With 7 precise temperature settings, it ensures every brew comes out just right, whether it's green tea, coffee, or oatmeal. The double wall design keeps it cool to the touch, while auto shut-off and boil-dry protection give peace of mind. Quick, efficient, and easy to use, it's a daily essential. Perfect bread starts with perfect proofing. This folding proofer creates the ideal warm environment so your dough rises light and fluffy every time. Just set the temperature, add water if you want humidity, and let it work its magic. When you're done, it folds flat for easy storage in a drawer or cabinet. And it's not just for bread. It can also slow cook meals, ferment yogurt, or even melt chocolate. Say goodbye to tossing and turning from being too hot or too cold. This bed system gives you instant control over your sleep climate with both cooling and heating. It pushes airflow right into your sheets, wicking away sweat or warming you up in seconds. Perfect for hot sleepers, chilly nights, or anyone who wants full comfort on demand. You can even program different temps for each hour of the night. Keys are officially optional. This smart deadbolt lets you unlock your door with a tap, a code, your phone, or even your voice. You can manage guest access, track who's coming and going, and lock up from anywhere using the app. The encrypted connection keeps your home secure, while the auto lock feature gives peace of mind when you forget. Easy to install, it makes everyday entry effortless and modern. Say goodbye to tugging and irritation. This high-speed shaver makes 12,000 cuts per minute, gliding smoothly through even the toughest beards. Its ultra-thin foil and angled head give you a close, precise shave that feels as effortless as using a manual razor. You can use it wet or dry, and cleanup is simple thanks to the waterproof design. Lightweight and slim, it's perfect for travel too. Your garage just got smarter. This opener lets you control, monitor, and secure your door right from your phone, no matter where you are. A built-in wide-angle camera with two-way audio means you can see and talk in real time. Motion-activated LED lighting brightens every corner, and the ultra-quiet motor won't disturb the house. Even during a power outage, the backup system keeps you moving. Imagine a pool that cleans itself while you relax. This robotic skimmer glides across the surface, scooping up leaves, bugs, and debris all day long. It runs on solar power, but also charges by adapter for non-stop performance, even on cloudy days. With app support, you can set schedules, steer it, or track progress right from your phone. Smart sensors keep it from getting stuck, so your water stays crystal clear without the hassle. Bring the taste of outdoor grilling right into your kitchen. This indoor grill sears, sizzles, and even gives you those char-grilled marks you love. It's more than a grill though. It air fries, roasts, bakes, broils, and even dehydrates snacks. A built-in smart thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking, giving you perfect doneness every time. Plus, the smoke control system keeps your kitchen fresh and clear. Here's a speaker that does way more than just play music. It gives you clear stereo sound for movies, videos, and hands-free calls. But the real star is the remote. You can scroll, pause, and adjust volume without ever touching your phone. The built-in stand keeps your phone secure at the perfect angle. Portable, rechargeable, and lightweight. It's your go-to setup for work, cooking, or just relaxing. Here's comfort designed with care. This power lift recliner makes standing up effortless thanks to its smooth lift assistance. With an extended footrest, cup holders, and USB ports, it's perfect for relaxation, reading, or movie nights. The soft fabric feels cozy yet easy to clean, while simple button controls let you recline just how you like. A thoughtful blend of comfort, support, and convenience in one chair. Upgrade your front door with a smarter view. This 2K video doorbell gives you a crystal clear, wide-angle look at who's outside, day or night. With two-way audio, motion alerts, and real-time notifications, you can see, hear, and talk to visitors from anywhere. It even has an integrated siren for extra peace of mind. Easy to set up and works wire-free or wired. It keeps your home connected and secure. Tired of fans that only cool one spot? This smart fan covers every corner with its dual 120-degree oscillation, sending airflow exactly where you need it. With 9 speeds, 6 modes, and ultra-quiet operation, it keeps your space cool without disturbing your sleep. Control it from your phone, remote, or even your voice for total convenience. A sleek, quiet upgrade for any room. Looking for lighting that doubles as decor? This spiral RGB lamp is more than just a light. It's a statement piece. With its unique trophy-like design and handmade twist, it instantly adds character to any room. Choose from multiple colors and modes, adjust brightness with a simple touch, and set the perfect mood. Sleek, modern, and eye-friendly, it's a stylish upgrade for your desk or nightstand. Cool air, no blades, and zero worries. This tower fan keeps your space breezy with smooth airflow that feels natural and refreshing. It's whisper quiet, so you can sleep, work, or relax without distraction. Control it from anywhere with your phone, voice assistant, or the included remote. Safe for kids and pets, it delivers powerful cooling while blending into any room with a sleek, modern design. Ever wonder what your dog's up to while you're away? This smart pet camera lets you see, talk, and even toss treats to your furry friend right from your phone. The rotating lens gives you a full view of the room, while two-way audio keeps you connected. Smart alerts notify you when there's barking or unusual activity. It's peace of mind and playtime in one clever device. Lighting doesn't just brighten a room, it sets the mood. This modern floor lamp fills your space with ripple effects, color-changing tones, or soft white light depending on what you need. Rotate the head to splash colors across the ceiling, or switch to warm and cool shades that mimic natural daylight. You can control it by app, voice, or smart home system. Sleek, stylish, and versatile, it transforms any corner instantly. Laundry doesn't have to be a never-ending chore. This smart machine folds and lightly irons your clothes in seconds, giving you neat, ready-to-wear garments without the hassle. It automatically detects different fabrics, adjusting for the best results, whether it's cotton, polyester, or wool. Compact and modern, it fits right into your home without taking up much space. With speed, precision, and simplicity, it's like having your own folding assistant. Ever wish your home could smell like a luxury hotel? This smart scent diffuser transforms any space with cold air technology that spreads fragrance without water or heat. You can control it straight from your phone or the sleek touch panel, adjusting the schedule and intensity to your liking. It works as a standalone unit or connects to your HVAC for whole home coverage. Cleaning your floors doesn't get smarter than this. This robot vacuum not only vacuums with powerful suction, it also mops and even cleans its own mop pads. The dual brush system grabs dirt, dust, and pet hair without tangling. It empties itself, refills water, and is ready to go again. No hands required. With app and voice control, you can just relax while it takes care of the mess.